This is a short tutorial on using Inkscape to make a logo, possibly for the Auckland logo design contest. Now, for my particular logo, I'm wanting to use a capital A. I'm wanting to work on the sailing kind of theme involving Auckland Harbour, and it so happens that the second letter of Auckland is a U, and AU makes the symbol for gold, so I'll try and get a U in there as well. Now, I've got Inkscape open and I'm heading for the pen tool, also called the Draw Bezier tool. If I had it open on a full-sized screen area, it would just be in the standard tool list on the left. With the pen tool, you click on the points of the shape you're wanting, and Inkscape draws the line between those points for you. So I just click the points and the line is formed between them. To finish off, I double click on a point, and I can also just make one simple single line as well with a click, letting the mouse button go, going across and double clicking at the other end of that. Now, for those shapes, they come in as fairly thin at the moment, so I'm going to head up to the object menu and open up the fill and stroke commands. Having a shape selected, I will increase the thickness of the line of that particular shape, and I will increase the thickness of the line of the shape underneath. Now, after selecting the top shape, I'm actually going to use the node editor tool, which lets me reshape the way the points behave and the way the lines between them behave. So I click on the node editor tool. I'm going to select one of the points I picked, and I'm going to make it a smooth point so the line curves nicely through it. And I'll select the other top one and make that a smooth point as well. So that's my points taken care of. I can now grab the line by the middle segment of it and start reshaping it a bit, pulling it out in various directions. Equally well, if I grab a point and move the point, I am reshaping where the line itself travelled to. So I pull those round until I get the kind of shape I'm looking for, adjusting the nodes as I need. In a similar fashion with the line underneath, I'm just going to grab that by the middle and turn it more into a U or boat shape. I'll go back to the move tool and I will move that shape more up to underneath the main part of the A, and all that's left to do is provide a cross piece for the A. I'll go back to the pen tool for that and click at a start point, double click at an end point, thicken up that line I just created, and possibly use the node editor to provide a bit of curve on the line to make it more in keeping with the other curves in the image. Now I could put in a background rectangle to this. I go to the rectangle tool, I stretch out a rectangular area, I set the fill colour, you hold down the shift key and click to set the edge colour, and then I go up to the object menu and I say lower it to the bottom to put it under the other things there. Now, I could say that as an Inkscape drawing, but if I want to send it to someone to see, you're best off choosing File, Export Bitmap, and that's going to produce a PNG format image file.